that shit good. You got a portion of taste buds to just be healthy. What's up, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be doing a what I eat in the day for someone who wants to keep high muscle and low fat. It's gonna be real simple and it's like I really don't do the most. If you like fitness / a bit of lifestyle content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But let's get right into it. Alright, so before the gym, I like to keep it real slight because I don't like to eat nothing too big because then I'm gonna be moving like a big sloth. So I'm gonna do like a banana and pre-workout. My pre-workout. It's something about a slightly chilled banana that just does it for me. It just suits my boat. Makes me want to eat it up.
Okay.
I'm trying to do banana good. It's best to drink this stuff like, I say 10 to 30 minutes before you work out. But my gym is only 10 minutes away, so I'm gonna serve it out right now. But I do have a long drive. You can just take it a cook and wait till you get closer to the gym. So pre-workout is great for like the energy boost. Just give you that extra energy you need, because we not all energetic sometimes, you know? Let's be honest. The pre-workout flavor I got, it really tastes so good to me. We got blue raspberry lemonade. Anyways, let's go. They see me riding, they see me rolling. Nah. Baby, I'm going. All right, so we back from the gym. We about to get into a breakfast. On today's menu, we got protein oatmeal, eggs, a little sausage, and it's like a protein milk thing. Let's get into it. All right, so this is the oatmeal I'm using, the Kodak protein oatmeal. It's about 14 grams of protein. I love it to get like extra protein. We're gonna do like a cup of milk, and pour it in the pot. Now 1 cup of milk is like 8 grams of protein. Remember that when you make it like oatmeal, milk is better than water simply because it adds a little bit of extra protein. I'm just gonna add our pack of oatmeal to the milk. I like to add a little bit of this oatmeal. I just feel like it makes it a little bit better. All right, we're gonna let that start to boil. We're gonna add a little butter. We're gonna add a spoon of sugar. Just because you are healthy does not mean you have to be bland. Because we all know that sometimes when you don't be adding no sugar, that shit nasty. But sometimes we need some sugar, you know what I'm saying? Don't beat yourself up about it. It's still healthy. You got a portion of taste buds to just be healthy. All right, so the final meal is done. This is what we got, baby. Y'all know they look precious. Can't tell me otherwise. This adds an extra 30 grams of protein. This is one of my favorite brands for like the protein meal. Okay, so let me tell you how much protein we got with this meal. 2 eggs equals 60 grams of protein. Then with the protein oatmeal, we got like 14 plus 8. That's like a good 21. 21 plus 8 equals like 29, damn near 30. And then we got like these 2 sausage links, which is like an extra 6. 36 plus 30 equals like 65. 66 grams of protein, 65 grams of protein. And this meal is so healthy, so beautiful looking. It's really not that complicated to do. So yeah, it's something to eat. I'm gonna go ahead and indulge in this breakfast and catch y'all for lunch, okay? Alright guys, so I'm getting dinner started. We making red beans. This is my first time making red beans. My mom's teaching me, but she don't want to be in the video. But anyways, y'all, for dinner, I will eat like a soul food meal or whatever. Cause at the end of the day, look at my skin color. We not about to act like it gets all precise around here all the time. So I learned how to make some beans, so put them in there. What are you doing? Good. So here's the final meal, you guys. Actually, look pressure on. And I know what you may be thinking. You may be thinking, girl, you are such a big bag. But just because I have all this in my plate does not mean I'm about to eat it all. I usually be putting some back. I just be like, oh, fixing my plate a little bit. But anyways, yes, just because you're on a fitness journey, you can still eat your good soul food meals. Just be like aware of how much you put in the plate and stuff like that. Yeah, I really think I outdid myself with this one for real though. Yeah, this shit good. Pressure. Pressure. Pressure none lesser, baby. You feel me? Check it out one more time. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, I forgot to record an outro when I got done eating dinner. But anyways, that's gonna sum up this video. That is basically what I eat in a day as a fitness girly who does not meal prep all the time. I meal prep sometimes, but if we being honest, I'm the type of person that doesn't meal prep a lot because I just be so busy and stuff like that. Like, I'll get better at it. But for right now, that's how I like maintain a healthy balance without meal prepping. It is definitely possible. You do not have to meal prep like the fitness girl preach about all the time. Sometimes that is just not, you know, always the thing that you're gonna be able to do. So here's how you eat healthy without meal prepping. And also, you do not have to eat like veggies 24/7. You can still eat like them home cooked meals that you love and stuff. But I thank you guys for tuning in and watching. I hope you got some meal inspo. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next pop-in video. Thanks for watching. Bye.